Okay, we have part 1, question number 12 from the February 2016 release. This should complete this document at least. We'll start with the question, and just so you know, I'm used to dollars and cents, not pounds and pence, so I'll do my best here. Number 12, you are working as a practice pharmacist and have been asked to help the practice reduce expenditure on medications. As a result, you're reviewing the use of tolterodine, 4 milligrams, modified release per tablet. And I just put modified release there for my own benefit because in the States we use XR for extended release or ER for extended release generally. Sometimes CR for controlled release. It sounds like it makes more sense to just say modified release. As these cost more than tolterodine, 2 milligram per tablet at an equivalent dose, current costs are shown below. So it's tolterodine 4 milligrams modified release tablets, 25 pounds 78 pence for 28 tablets, and tolterodine 2 milligram tablets, 2 pounds 88 pence per 56 tablets. You've reviewed 9 patients who are prescribed tolterodine 4 milligrams modified release per tablet daily on repeat prescription. Have identified that 7 of them could potentially switch to the tolterodine 2 milligrams per tablet at a dose of 2 tablets per day. Practice has a repeating prescribing policy of 56 days per regimen on a prescription. What is the total saving for the practice for 6 repeats, assuming all 7 suitable patients switch to using tolterodine 2 milligram tablets? Give your answer to the nearest pound. So first of all, there's a tremendous amount of extraneous information there. All you want to know is how many pounds do I end up with for the 4 milligrams and how many pounds do I end up with 2 milligrams, 7 patients each time. Okay, so let's look at the conversions. I think that'll make it a lot easier. So let's look down here. This is what we really want. Cost of 7 patients on 4 milligrams minus cost of 7 patients on 2 milligrams equals the savings. So starting up here, we know we need to end up with pounds in both cases. And the only conversion that we had for pounds was the pounds, or 25 pounds 78 pence per 28 tablets. And then same thing here, 2 pounds 88 cents pence per 56 tablets. Now here's where we get a little tricky in that 56-day regimen for a 28 tablet long acting is 56 tablets. And down here for the 56 tablets, we have 112. So that's a little bit tricky. And then it's 6 repeats per patient and then 7 patients. Again, we want to just make sure we have are able to cross off all of our units, so tablets, repeats, and patients, and we end up with pounds. So this subtraction, 2,165 pounds 52 pence minus 241 pounds 92p ends up with 1,923 pounds and 60 pence, and just round up to 1,924 pounds. But again, as with all of these, we're just really about the setup. The only really tricky thing is here in that we have this doubling because of the 56-day, and I'll go back to that slide, because we have a 56 days per regimen. Okay? But I didn't want to belabor the point. I think it's relatively straightforward after that.